Okay, let's not hold up traffic too much. Onward and upward. Hi, how's everybody doing today? I hope you're all well and fine. Join us on a beautiful afternoon in the Scottish borders, Clintmains. Well, this is a bustling hub of civilization right here. Oh, that's nice though. And that's us leaving Clintmains. Wow. Oh, this bridge looks interesting. I'm assuming that once again this is the Tweed. Oh yes. Oh, look at that. That's incredible. That is awesome. Okay, let's not hold up traffic too much. Onward and upward. So we've just left St Boswell's and we're on the A68 heading south, and this is a section of road that it's part of my favourite run, which stretches between Ponteland in the south and Pathhead in the north. And it's a great piece of road. It's in good condition. It's got hills, it's got straights, it's got twisty bits. It's pretty much got everything you could wish for in a road. It's just a really good road. I wouldn't say it's the best road in the world, but it's one of my favourites because, well, it's close to me and I get to ride it a lot. It's the kind of road that really should have a name. You know, there's several roads around the world have been named after parts of a dragon. You've got the head of the dragon, the tail of the dragon. And well, this possibly isn't quite as spectacular as those roads. It is nevertheless a road that really is worthy of a name. Maybe call it the head of the pigeon, or the tail of the sheep. Now we're just getting silly. That's quite enough of that. Thank you very much. Cows. Lots of cows. Gosh, you can feel that temperature drop when you go into the shade. And then you come out and it's gorgeous again. Okay, don't nod, don't wave. See if I care. See a few lovely little twisties here. Such a beautiful section of road this. So I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. You've been great, especially while I've been taking this time off due to my MS. You've been very patient, and I want to thank you for that. And to everyone who's watching, I would like to say that, you know, 78% of people watching this video are not subscribed. So please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, like, comment, share, the whole lot. Help us get this channel going. You know, it all helps with the analytics, it helps the channel to grow, and I will be eternally grateful to you all. I am anyway. Tractor. Oh, this is fantastic. Just gliding along, just enjoying a beautiful day. There won't be many more days like this year, to be honest. You know, we'll have the autumn storms starting to line up ready to hit us. We may even see some snow this winter. That would be nice. But either way, I'm not one of these guys who washes and polishes their bike and puts her in the garage until next spring. I like the different challenges that the different times of year pose, the different types of weather, the different road conditions, everything like that. It's all part of the experience for me. And I think that's one of the reasons why I prefer a sort of stripped back, more simple machine rather than a big tour or something like that. You know, I like to feel what's going on the road. I'm not looking for a luxuriously comfortable ride, I'm looking for something that tells me what's going on under the wheels. And the Ryker is absolutely perfect for that. So, while we're out and about today, I'd like to give a shout out to another one of my favourite YouTubers. His name is Coach Bob, and his channel is Coach Bob 3. Him and his wife, Coach Vic, they have this wonderful channel. Coach Bob is a very, very inspirational man, and Coach Vic, well, she's just as inspirational. And they go on long road trips. They did coast to coast and back again, from Florida to California and back. They do smaller ride outs just around the place. Sometimes Coach Bob might be riding solo. He's also he has a Triumph that he rides. Now I think it's a speed triple, but don't quote me on that. Oh, I just love this piece of road here. This is just the corners here, and it just keeps going down the hill with these little twisty corners. These you can just straighten out. Just wonderful. Cyclist. So where was I? Oh yes, they go for long road trips, short road trips. They've recently been to Trike Fest, where they bumped into Ryker rides, and they both have videos on the Trike Fest, and I can recommend both. They are very good videos, and there's some really lovely machines to see. Not all Rykers, some of them more traditional trikes. There's even a couple of two-wheelers there, but I'm sure we can forgive them. We should forgive them and encourage them to come across to the dark side and ride three wheels. Denham Square, or Denham Village Green I should say. Wind's getting a little bit blustery now. We're supposed to have rain moving in from the west. As that happens, the wind will rise. It usually does. So I think we'll take the back road into Hawick today, via Horns Hole. If you don't know about the Battle of Horns Hole, check out one of my earlier videos where I tell you all about it. It was a battle that happened in 1514, and it's a source of much pride in the town of Hawick. So if you want to check out that video, I shall leave a link to it up in the corner somewhere, that side I think. This is us coming over the Horns Hole Bridge now. You always have to be a little bit careful coming up this piece of road, because there are quite a few cars take this as a shortcut in and out of town, and some of these bends it's quite blind, and there's been patchworks on the road surface which doesn't help. So this is us heading back into Hawick now, so I shall bid you a fond farewell wherever you are, guys. I hope the weather's glorious and the roads are empty. Until next time, take care, guys.